R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2C, question number 22. In question number 22, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx equals to 6x square plus x minus 2, find the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. In this problem, we have given a quadratic polynomial 6x square plus x minus 2 whose zeros are alpha and beta. So for this polynomial, the sum of zeros will be equals to alpha plus beta, that will be equals to minus b upon a. Here b is constant of x and a is here b is coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta will be equals to minus 1 upon 6. For this quadratic polynomial, the product of 0 alpha into beta will be equals to c upon a, where c is constant term, that is minus 2, and a is coefficient of x square, that is 6. So alpha into beta will be equals to minus 1 upon 3. We have to find the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. So firstly we will solve this. So we will get alpha into beta is the LCM. So from beta will be cancelled out, alpha will be multiplied into alpha. So this is alpha square. From alpha will be cancelled out, beta will be multiplied to beta square. So this expression will be equals to alpha square plus beta square upon alpha into beta. So by the help of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, we will find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So we know that alpha plus beta whole square is equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So from here alpha square plus beta square will be equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Minus 2 alpha beta. So we have value of alpha plus beta, that is 1 upon 6. So alpha plus beta whole square will be equals to 1 upon 6 whole square minus 2 alpha into beta is minus 1 upon 3. So this sign minus will be cancelled out and this will become plus. So 1 upon 36 plus 2 upon 3. So from here LCM will be 36. LCM will be 36 and this will be 1 and this will be 24. So our value of alpha square plus beta square will be 25 upon 36. Now putting the value of alpha square plus beta square and alpha into beta here. So we will get 25 upon 36 upon alpha into beta is minus 1 upon 3. So from 3 this will be cancelled out 12 times. So our answer will be minus 25 upon 12. This is the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. This is our answer. R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2C, question number 23. In question number 23, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx equals to 5x square minus 7x plus 1, find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. In this problem, we have given a polynomial 5x square minus 7x plus 1 whose zeros are alpha and beta. So for this polynomial, on comparing with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c, a will be equals to 5, b will be equals to minus 7 and c will be equals to 1. So from here, the sum of zeros is given by alpha plus beta, that is equals to minus b upon a. So alpha plus beta will be equals to minus 7 upon 5. So alpha plus beta will be equals to 7 upon 5, and product of zeros will be given by alpha into beta, that will be equals to c upon a. So alpha into beta, c is 1 and a is 5. This is alpha into beta. Now we have to find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta will be equals to alpha beta is a LCM, beta plus alpha. So 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta will be equals to beta plus alpha upon alpha into beta. So we have the value of alpha plus beta, that is 7 upon 5, and alpha into beta, that is 1 upon 5. 5 will be cancelled out from 5. So our answer will be 7. That will be equals to 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. This is our answer.